Hello guys, welcome to the Google Ads Certificate series at beginner level organized by IEEE Committee of KJ Soma Institute of Engineering and Information Technology. And my name is Akshit Mandani and I am also Google Certified Digital Marketer. Our today's videos is on Google Display Ad Certification on topic identifying campaign types of this Google Display Ad part 2. In the part 1 video, we have covered many things such as value of Google Display Ad campaign, intent signal, and machine learning. We have also identified that there are two types of display ad campaign. First, smart display ad campaign. Second, standard display ad campaign. We began with the smart display ad campaign and also covered key benefits of smart display ad campaign that are simplicity, insight, and scale. We also found that you cannot directly set up the smart display ad campaign. In order to get the eligible of the smart display ad campaign, you have to first bring the 50 conversion on display ad campaign or at least 100 conversion on search in the last 30 days. So these were the things that were covered in the part 1 video. Now today's is the part 2 video based on key components of the smart display ad campaign. The key component of the smart display campaign is automated, automated bidding, automated targeting, and automated creatives. In automated bidding, instead of bidding manually, you specify a target of CPA, that is cost per execution, or target ROAS, that is rate on ad spend, that you would like to achieve, and Google will manage the CPA bids on per auction basis. On that, the customer will get conversions and buy some product or click on your site or on your ad. On this basis, this bidding is set. That's why the smart display campaign ad is have some basic criteria. The biddings is also set on the based on the performance that you have done in the last 30 days. So next is automated targeting. In targeting, the campaign runs where your customers are. It brings the most of the it brings the ad in front of the most of the related to your business customers or related to your business relevance audience. Display campaign drive the remarketing perspective. That is, it display the ad to the customer those who have previously clicked on your ad or previously visited your site. Under automated creatives, the ads are generated. Only you have to provide the headline, descriptions, logos, and images. The ads which are generated by the smart display campaign are responsive ad. That is, they get automatically adjust on any screen, whether it is a Android phone, portrait or landscape, or it is the tablet or any PC screen. It get automatically fit in all the sites. So these are the things that are automatically done by the smart display ad campaign based on the conversions that you have brought in the last 30 days. Everything is done automatically by the computer. So who should run this smart display campaign? If you are new to the advertising and just performed the 30 days target and completed that 30 days target, then you can try the smart display ad campaign to see the difference between standard display ad campaign and the smart display campaign. Then you can use the smart display ad campaign. Or you want to do the remarketing, you want to bring the earlier customer back to your site, then you can use the smart display ad campaign. And of course, if you want to bring the new customer, you can use the smart display ad campaign. So now our next is standard display ad campaign. In standard display ad campaign, everything you have to do manually. You have to bid manually, you have to set the target manually, you have to create the ads manually. Under targeting, uh, there are certain types of targeting, means strategies that you can follow to target the audience. The strategies can be to bring the influence, to encourage the people to see your advertisement, see the features that you have, your company have, or your store have, or your products have, to bring the customer to your store or to your site through ads. Also attract them through the sales, attract them by giving the offers such as redeem the code. Various types of parameters are there which can be set on uh, standard display ad campaign, such as to target only a specific location, such as to target only a specific age group, to bring the audience maximum conversion. Under bidding, you can follow the four bidding strategy to get the conversion. First, enhanced in CPC, that is enhanced cost per click. Under smart display campaign, it is automatically adjusts your bid up and down based on the click likelihood that result in the conversion. But in the standard display ad campaign, you have to set the budget and you want to spend the amount of money on per click, that is bid. You have to set it manually. Next is strategy is under bidding is maximum conversion. That is, if you want to remain within the budget and you are satisfied with the number of conversion that is brought by the computer or the machine learning on your ad, you are satisfied with that volume of conversion, but you don't want to cross your budget, then you can follow the maximum conversion strategy. Machine learning try to bring its maximum possible conversion within your budget, but it is less than the cost per click enhanced rate strategy. Next, third strategy is cost per execution. Under smart display campaign, it is automatically sets its bids and help you to increase the conversion while reaching your average cost per execution goal. But again in standard display campaign you have to set it manually. Fourth strategy is target ROAS, that is target return on ad spend. It can be defined as the ratio of how much you are earning from the revenue or how much you are earning from the ad and how much you want to spend on your campaign. If you are having a very good budget and you want to choose any one strategy, then you can go with the target ROS strategy, because it brings the maximum conversion and it is based on that how much revenue you are earning. Even if the set under the smart display campaign, the formula remains the same. It is how much revenue you are earning from the smart display ad campaign divided by how much you are spending on the smart display ad campaign, that is your budget. And next is ad creatives. Under the standard display ad campaign, you have to create your ad on your own, and you can do it in two types. You create the responsive ad which can be shown on every device, or you can make an upload an AMP HTML ad, that is accelerated mobile page HTML ads. These types of ad get accelerated on the mobile phone devices, that is they get quickly loaded on your mobile device's screen size. As we know that under the display ad campaign, banners are used, colorful banners, dynamic banners, which provides the button to visit your site or visit your shop, or some provides the redeem code. So such types of ads are quickly loaded under the AMP HTML ads. You can generate such ads and upload it under the standard display ad campaign. It will be shown to the nearly 90% of the relevance audience of your display ad campaign, that is nearly 2 million sites and websites and other Google partners like YouTube. So these are the various ways that you can use under the standard display ad campaign And under the smart display ad campaign, everything is automated, but under standard display campaign, everything you have to do is manually. You have to adjust as per your needs. So our today's video is over. Hope you understand everything. Thanks a lot.